Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 25th, 2022. We're going to talk about Mullen Automotive today. I did a video the 22nd of March. You guys can see I was talking about how weak the market in Mullen could be and that we was going to try to predict the market price going down. And this is what has happened since then. So I wanted to come in and give you all an update because I know this is one of the hype stocks of the moment. And I want us to keep it real. Let's be realistic as to how the market really works, because I don't want everyone to just think that everything's going to get a short squeeze or we're going to get a MOAS and everything's going to shoot up to astronomical prices to where everyone's going to be filthy rich, because the market doesn't work that way. So I'm coming in again today to talk about Mullen Automotive to see what we got. Is the price still weak? Can we still look for the market to dip? Or are we still on course to see this price hit $5? Because that's going to be the next area that the price is going to go if Mullen is able to overcome the slight weakness that I've noticed on the chart since my last video. So if y'all appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because check this out. There's nobody else out here on these YouTube streets that's doing the way I'm doing it. I simply look at the chart, price bars and volume, and try to gauge where the market's going to go. I don't look at no reports. I don't talk about fundamental analysis. I don't do no discount cash flow models. I don't do no 8 pillars. I don't do none of that because it's completely useless. What determines price? Check this out. I'm gonna help you all out. This is what determines price. And it has nothing to do with what I just said. Price is determined off of what you and I are willing to buy and sell. That's it. Whatever you think is a great price to buy, guess what? That's what moves the market. Whatever price you think you're willing to sell, guess what? That is what moves the price. 8 pillars can't move price. Fundamental analysis cannot move price. Once you come through and either hit the buy or sell button, that is what is moving these markets. Everyone, not just you, not just me, everyone who participates in these stocks is actually creating the market. Now, let me talk about price for Mullen, because yeah, we've seen weakness, but check this out. The market really hasn't gotten that vigor of pushing down, right? Since I did the video on March 22nd, look at this. The market in Mullen, yeah, we've been seeing price go down, but it hasn't been extreme. That kind of lets us know that there still may be some life in this market in Mullen to go up. Now, it doesn't mean that we're done with price coming down in Mullen. No. But let's look at this. Because like I said, I just look at the price charts and I look at multiple time frames to try to gauge as to, okay, do I still see weakness? Do I still see strength? This is Mullen right here on the 3-day time frame, and we got to keep it a bug. Let's keep it real. Yes, the market price in Mullen is still giving us some weakness. Like, there's still people who rolled Mullen or who bought the stock all the way down here around 50 cents, 65 cents, who's still taking profits, right? The last 2 3-day price bars represent that because the market closed off of the highs. So there's still some profit taking going on into the market in Mullen. Now, I will tell you, if the buyers are still here, able to withhold all of the profit taking that's going on right now, we cannot see the price break 250. We want to see the market in Mullen hold $2.50, definitely no lower than $2. Okay, I'm here to tell you that right now. So even if we continue to see the selling, if the price continues to go down, as long as the market does not break $2, then we still live to see another day for this market to go up. Okay, so now let me go ahead and get rid of this. If you were to get out on the market close yesterday in Mullen, yeah, check it out. You got 6.83%. Congratulations. Now check this out. We hit that restriction area that I talked about, right? The market came up there and got rejected. We got rejected at 350. You guys can tell that we are stair-stepping our way down to where the market buyers are losing ground. We cannot see that. In order for us to really see this strength, in order for us to really see the price hit $5 or higher, we got to overcome these restriction lines right there. Okay, that's $3.50 and $4. The market buyers has to take those areas out in order for us to even consider us continuing to go up in price. Now you might begin to see this, right? This is the current trend here in Mullen. We got two trends. One is a lot steeper than the first, right? This is the overall trend down here at the bottom. So we might even see Mullen break this current trend and come all the way down here at the bottom around $1.50. And then we continue to see the market in the long term continue to go up. It's all about how long you're trying to be in the play. But this nearest term trend, if we hold that, that's even better for us to continue this quote unquote short squeeze. We need to, in order for us to get that quote unquote short squeeze in Mullen, we need to let the trend hold this line right there. If we break this trend, then you need to let it go of trying to think of a short squeeze real quick, right? Because it's not a short squeeze happen on a very short time frame, right? It happens like quick. It doesn't take weeks. It doesn't take months for a short squeeze to happen or occur. So keep your eyes open on that. So let me see what we got on the weekly, because this is still reflecting to us some weakness here in Mullen. But again, I still think that this market has enough momentum to try to continue to go up in price to that $5 area. So that would give us what? For the market to hit $5 in Mullen, it's around 65% run for where the market closed yesterday. 65%. Now, is it going to be a joyful ride? It might not be. It might not be a quick run. It might not be a quick play. But guess what? That's 65%. Now, I'm going to go ahead and play that. Okay, so let me hit this back over to the weekly time frame in Mullen, right? Put this back on a daily time frame. And like I said, the sooner we grab support, the sooner that the buyers come in and reclaim position of this price going down in Mullen, the better. The longer it takes, it's not going to be so good. We cannot let price ultimately break below $2. If we do, then the next thing that we have in store is just for it to hold this trend. That's the next option, is for the buyers to hold that trend. So I'm trying to pinpoint to you areas that we need to focus in on that the buyers needs to hold. And the first area is going to be this trend right here, the closest trend. The market needs to hold this. If it does, great. We already know the sooner we'll get up to that $5 level. If price doesn't, then we definitely need to let market buyers come in and confirm that they're willing to hold the stock up around $2. Just that simple. This is a non-emotional game. We already know what we're going to do when market actually occurs or when price actually moves, right? So let's go ahead and do that there. Okay. So that is it. Let me get rid of this because I don't want us to get confused. I want us to really focus in on what the current trend is. If we do break this trend, you know what, let me bring it back, because if we do break it, I'm still going to hold on to the next longer term trend that we're going to follow. Okay. Because looking at the weakness that came in on the hourly, yeah, we might continue to go down. If we hold 280 to 260, that's even better. Just keep your eyes open. That's all I'm saying. So now I'm giving you all my premise, the ideas that I think the price in Mullen is going to do. Before you head out, you know, the comment section is open on this video. I want you all to tell me, where do you think the market in Mullen is going to go? If you have a higher price target above $5, then go ahead and hit me up and tell me how high you think it's going to go. All right. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.